Craving something sweet but don't have an oven? Don't worry. Today we will show you 5 super delicious no oven desserts you can make right at home. No baking, no stress. Get ready for some cool, creamy, and chocolatey tastes that anyone can make, even kids. Let's jump into the world of easy no oven desserts. Number 1, chocolate biscuit cake. This dessert is rich, chocolatey, and very easy. Crush some biscuits like Mary or Digestive in a bowl. Melt 1 cup of chocolate with half cup of cream in a pan. Now mix the chocolate with the crushed biscuits. Pour the mix into a pan and press it tight. Keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. Cut into slices and enjoy. Number 2, no bake cheesecake. Want something creamy and light? Try this no bake cheesecake. Crush 1 packet of digestive biscuits and mix it with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Press it into a pan to make the base. In another bowl, mix some cheese, sugar, and whipped cream. Spread it mixture on top of the biscuit base. Let it chill in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. Top with fruit and jam if you like. Number 3, Oreo truffles. These are perfect for chocolate lovers. Crush 1 packet of Oreos into powder. Mix it with half cup of cream cheese until smooth. Roll into small balls. Melt some chocolate and dip each ball in. Let them cool in the fridge. You now have perfect Oreo truffles. Number 4, mango ice box cake. This one is fruity and fun. Peel and slice 2 ripe mangoes. Mix whipped cream and sweetened condensed milk. In addition, place a layer of graham crackers or biscuits. Add mango slices and cream mixture on top. Repeat the layers. Let it chill for 6 hours in the fridge. Serve cold and enjoy the tropical taste. Number 5, peanut butter chocolate bars. These bars are perfect for peanut butter fans. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of peanut butter, half cup melted butter, and half 1.5 cups powdered sugar. Spread this into a tray. Now melt some chocolate and spread it on top. Keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. Cut into squares and enjoy your sweet bars. And that's it. 5 amazing no oven dessert you can make right in your kitchen. No baking, no fancy tools, just easy and tasty recipes for everyone. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and yummy videos. See you next time with more kitchen fun. Stay sweet and happy cooking.